there was one special fortune. It's a fortune that is invisible. おみくじ引くとき、なんと何も書いてないという不思議なおみくじ。You know, it was raining a little bit, so they already noticed that something's happening with the water. Yeah, 水かけるやつ。そう Yeah, they were holding it up into the sky, trying to catch the raindrops and read it through there. But then I was like, don't look at it yet. No, don't try this. I was like, no, just come here. And then there was a little like a water fountain thingy in the back, where usually there was like a kind of a scoopy thingy, but for some reason it was missing on that day. 本当はね、なんかスプーンみたいなのはあったはずなんだけど、この日なかった。だから普通にここに水の上に乗せた。So once it comes in contact with water, you can read what it says. 中吉と吉ってさ、何が違えの？吉も中じゃねえの？わかんないよね。None of us had like really bad luck, so pretty good. Gotcha, I would say. Now, しかし、何？色？何？による？何？ Lust! 色情？ Wait, what does it say for love? よく見定めて進め。For studies it says you'll be fine if you study. Well done! どれが誰だったのかも覚えてないんだけど。あ、待って。うちまだポケットに入れてるわ。I think I still have mine in my jacket pocket. One second. 自分の読もうとしたらもう消えてる。Wait, maybe if I spray I have some disinfection stuff here. It's a spray. So if I spray this on it. Oh! Does that work? 待って、読めない。戻ってこねえの？Oh no, wait, ちょっと待って。Kichi! Okay, mine was Kichi. Kiara は、Kichi でした。We have some birth information. The big luck one, left one, which I think was Hachama. She'll have a comfortable birth, but be careful of what comes after. And the middle one says, 大切にせよ. A comfortable, easygoing birth. Be careful of the parents. Your own parents or yourself? I'm not sure. Yeah, and me? I would have an easy birth. Good to know. どっちも全部いいやん。What does mine say about traveling? 連れあればよろしい？誰かを連れて行けばいいってこと？いつも一人旅行なんだけど。オルメント旅行しろってこと？まあこれからってことなのかな。今回という意味じゃなくて、これからなのかな。Fortunes are fun. Yeah! 好き。おみくじ好き。でもこのおみくじが面白い理由はね、水つけないとダメっていうね、ところが面白い。Yeah.